Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code on the Postmates app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and enter a promo code that you found from online or through the mail on Postmates. How do you actually go ahead and enter that code? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Then, click on promotions on the middle hand side. So this is where you can enter your promo code. So enter your promo code, then click on add promo, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and enter your promo code on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.